then it will be highlighted. You just click outside, just outside the reference you click, it will be deselected. Selection and deselection, इतना तो कंप्यूटर सीखना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Just
I
outside
have done.
सिलेक्शन एंड डिसिलेक्शन, इतना तो समझो यार, कैसे सर.
I have done.
सुनोगे तो अच्छे से, इफ यू लिसन टू मी केयरफुली, देन ओनली यू कैन लर्न समथिंग. Listening is very important. See, I'm asking you to select that now. If you select that, on the right, can you see it is showing some reference, author name, then title, then year, then so many things on the right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
कुछ नहीं देख पा रहे यार, इतना सा स्क्रीन है यार, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा आप लोग क्या. मैं
Sir, Sweden city detail.
हाँ, डिटेल्स देखा है क्या, प्रीव्यू और या डिटेल्स का कुछ है क्या, इज देयर समथिंग लाइक दैट.
No, sir.
कुछ नहीं समझ पा रहे. राइट साइड में उसका देखो, जस्ट राइट में उसको डिसिलेक्ट करो तो.
Yes, sir. I have done.
और राइट साइड में क्या दिख रहा है, देखो तो कितने सारी चीजें लिखा है, वो क्या है बताओ तो. व्हाट इज रिटन देयर.
On the right side, it is written annoyed, insert and copy. Yeah, on the right side, it is written. About, on the top, it is written summary, edit and PDF, and below this, it is written annoyed, insert and copy.
एंड नोट.
सर
अरे वो आर्टिकल ऑथर नेम वगैरह कुछ दिख रहा है क्या कहीं पर.
हाँ सर, हमको देख रहे हैं.
अरे वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ, कहाँ लिखा है, हाईलाइट करो उसको, मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा ना, मोबाइल पे हूँ.
कैन यू सी दिस?
सिलेक्ट करो उसको, पूरा चीज को सिलेक्ट करो.
कैन यू सी दिस?
हाँ, वही तो तब से बोल रहा हूँ यार, वो उसके ऊपर जो क्या लिखा है, देखो 3-4 टैब्स हैं, 1 2 3 4 टैब्स हैं, वो क्या लिखा है उसमें, एक बताओ. व्हाट इज रिटन देयर.
Sir, here
देयर
it
आर
is.
4. हाँ, व्हाट इज दैट.
Sir, annotated.
ओके, अनोटेटेड बता रहा है, राइट.
Sir, there is some drop down.
हाँ, can you
Annotated.
click there, select there Harvard, because these are all styles. Basically, you are right. There, this is very different one.
Sir,
Okay, so
it is not showing any Harvard.
Harvard style is not here.
No, sir. Sir, it
Okay,
is
can you
showing.
select another style?
Yes, sir.
Is there any option called select another style
Yes, sir.
or
It is
similar
showing.
kind of option? Click on that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you, from that list, can you just hit your keyboard? Keyboard में H दबाओ. You just hit H.
Yes, sir. Here Harvard.
Select that
Yes, sir.
and choose.
I have done.
Huh?
Sir, I have done.
Now can you see it is showing you the reference, actually how it is going to be arranged at the bottom of your article. Can you see? That is
Yes,
called
sir.
preview basically. That down. Can you select now that author name, title, page number and stuff, so everything is there.
Yes, sir. I have selected.
Yeah, that is the one. That will be included in your bibliography, and you will have a very small, surname and year. That is in the in text. Now, very nice. So this is called preview, basically preview of the style that you are applying. So we are going to apply Harvard. Select Harvard. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now select the reference on the left. Select the reference on the left.
Yes, sir.
Now go to that Word file where you are going to incorporate this reference in the Word. Okay. We are going to incorporate this reference in the Word file where the cursor we kept. Okay. You enter Alt 2. Enter Alt 2. I should type. Hit your keys with two at a time.
Yes, sir.
Alt 2. Did that include something here? Incorporate something?
Yes, sir.
What did that incorporate?
It incorporate the what we have stated this topic about the
Yeah?
image. That what we have copied, what we have selected before in the EndNote, that is showing here.
And that is at the bottom, okay?
Yes,
What
sir.
else it has incorporated? At the location of cursor, what is there?
Sir,
Sir,
year mention.
here has mentioned.
Only here.
Sir, ETAL something.
क्या
Sir, ETAL.
क्या ETL यार और भी नेम होगा ना सरनेम भी होगा ब्रैकेट होगा ब्रैकेट ओके देयर
Yes,
विल बी अ
sir.
ब्रैकेट देन व्हाट इज रिटन
Sir,
अरे भाई
can you
पढ़ लो ना जो भी इनकॉर्पोरेट हुआ एक्स्ट्रा हुआ उसको पढ़ लो ना मेरे को सुनाई
sir,
देगा सब
सर एक्चुअली
हाँ
क्या कहते हैं, इसकी स्क्रीन में लाइट, इसको बार को साइड में मूव करना पड़ेगा, वो विजिबल नहीं है ना इसके पूरे।
हाँ तो उसको करो ना बाहर वो पूरा नहीं दिख रहा है
यस
अरे
सर, अब
इतने भी
हुआ।
छोटा मत करो और बड़ा करो जस्ट मेक लिटिल बिट बिगर अरे खींच लो ना नीचे से राइट को अरे यार ये बंदा you just can drag that and so that yeah you can include that
yes, I have done.
what extra that is incorporated in the text means the sentence that we wrote and we kept our cursor after the end of the sentence and before that full stop now something has been incorporated there also what is that
Ruiden city.
huh?
Sir, Ruiden city Spindelen. What we have
Yeah.
referred. Sir, where we have got this. What has referred here?
अरे भाई क्या लिखा है पढ़ो ना एग्जैक्टली ब्रैकेट देन
सर ब्रैकेट में मेंशन है र्यूडेन इटाला 2017 सर।
दैट्स राइट पढ़ो ना यार कितना भी तो आता नहीं चाहिए यार क्या यार सुन नहीं पा रहे हो मेरे को नहीं मैं शायद सुनाई नहीं दे रहा हूँ क्या एम आई ऑडिएबल टू एवरीवन
सर ऑडिबल सर।
Yes, sir.
if you read then only I'll tell you now what it means basically because for you it does not mean anything because you don't know it na what it is if you never saw an elephant if it is just standing in front of you if you would not actually just think about it anything then it may be something you don't know so like that only it is this is that so what is the surname can you tell from the preview below actually some names are there okay the first author's name and surname will be there from that it has taken the surname can you read that
Yes, sir.
hello can you read that
There is Ruiden city.
that is the surname
Winner.
that is the
Surname.
surname then it includes what if more than 6 people are there how many authors are there in this
Sir, 13. 13, sir. 13, sir.
13 names are there
यस सर 13।
wow okay so many people that did the research okay that's good so that means it's a research from a group okay it's a group of people or maybe many groups they work together to produce this paper right? So if you look at then and not automatically what it does is if there are more than 6 authors it will put at all etal means group redent what you told redent
सर र्यूडेन
Ruiden.
Udent, uh, Udent,
र्यूडेन इटाल।
atoll means that redundant group. wrote this paper in which year?
2017.
2017.
That's right. And so this particular thing in bracket, including the bracket, that is called as in-text citation. If you will read the manual, it has been already mentioned there. What are the rules, how this Harvard style works? If you are actually manually doing this referencing, then you have to follow what has been mentioned in the manual. But if you are using this software, it does it for you automatically within few seconds. If you want to go back to EndNote, then you can hit Alt 1. If you two keys you hit together, Alt and 1, it will switch between Word and EndNote. Can you hit that? Two keys. Alt
Yes,
1.
sir. Yes, sir.
Then again Alt 1.
It is switching between two
Yeah.
programs.
And Alt 2 is for what? Shortcut keys. Alt 2 is for
Giving the references.
inserting the references. Insert citation ka. If you are using the shortcut keys Alt 2, that means insert citation at the cursor location. If you keep your cursor unknowingly somewhere else, it will include there itself, incorporate. Are you getting? You have to be in conscious state, otherwise it will ruin the whole thing, because computer cannot understand what you are doing. What is your intention basically? Sorry, what you are doing, definitely it understands. If you are clicking all two together, then it understands it. But it does not know what it is your intention, where you want to put. If you are putting your cursor, then that only it actually understands. Where is the cursor? It will find that, and that there only it will insert it. Are you getting what I told?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Of course, you can imagine if you are writing a sentence, and if you just insert the reference without a space, then the bracket will join with the word. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
That bracket, if you are
Yes.
not giving a space after the writing, that you are writing sentence, and just before the full stop, if you are not giving a space, then that particular thing will join with the word. So that is wrong. In English thing, you have English language, you have to keep the words separately. So if it is starting the bracket, then you have to give a space. You keep in mind, because I have seen over the several years, students just don't think anything. They just insert it, and they all are actually joined together. It looks really odd, and it is very confusing. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now after that particular sentence, that it is clear now that that first sentence is sourced from that particular article, and that particular information is at the bottom. Okay, it arranges it automatically. Can you go back and copy from something from, just for rough example, copy something from, hello,
Yes, sir.
just copy something from that particular another article. Okay, can you go to Scholar and copy something, just one sentence or few words, that's all right. Now you are studying it. Example that I want to show you is, you are reading, read, write and cite. Three things should go hand in hand. Read, write and, hello,
Yes, sir.
read, write and cite. CIT, cite. Citation, incorporation of citation is called citing. सुन पा रहे हो क्या?
Yes, sir.
बोलो क्या करना है. When I am actually working on a report, scientific report or assignment or this kind of documents, then what is the principle? Read,
Write, cite.
And cite.
बताओ यार, कुछ सुनते नहीं हो आप लोग ऐसा कोई. खाली ऑनलाइन रहने से क्या मतलब है यार. गुड गुड, वेरी गुड. So read, write and cite. इसको भूलना मत. Don't forget this, okay? If you will think that, okay, I will write first and then I will find the references, then it will take ages, you cannot complete. So earlier I have told you Okay, did you include that? Hello?
Yes, sir, I have
Did
written.
you? कहाँ लिखा आपने? Where did you write it?
I have not cited what I have written, but I have
Where did
copied
you write it? At the end?
in the word.
अरे
रेफरेंस
what?
के ऊपर उसको कंटिन्यूएशन में लिखना था ना।
अरे that paragraph will continue. That full stop के बाद continue होगा भाई. References will be arranged at the bottom together. आप लोगों ने कोई पेपर पढ़ा नहीं मैंने शेयर किया था गोल्टन एटल का पेपर. Did anybody study Galton et al. Paper? Hello?
No, sir.
But how can you work on this, man? Guys, please, Amrita,
यस
please,
सर।
please give some time. Otherwise, how are you going to learn? I cannot actually put everything into your mind. It is not possible for me.
यस सर, यस सर।
Did anybody go through? Did anybody download ImageJ software?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in that same folder, you will find Galton et al. Paper also. Did anybody see that by any mistake? Can you
आ रहा है
remember?
सर.
देखा होगा ना एक फाइल होगा PDF फाइल
यस सर.
है ना. आप उसको खोलोगे ना इसमें दिखेगा. कोई पेपर तो पढ़ो नहीं तो कैसे लिखोगे यार. इफ यू आर नॉट एक्चुअली रीडिंग एंड research article, then how can you write research article? You guys are too busy or what?
No, sir.
Hello, Rajesh, too busy?
No, sir.
सर एक्चुअली सॉफ्टवेयर ऑपरेट करना नहीं आता.
बाद में करें मैं बताऊंगा ना. I'm telling all this. Did you know about all this before that word even that we are learning? Okay, are you learning or not?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
But I'm not asking. I did not ask you to go and practice image. Did I ask you?
No, sir.
But you should study and read. If we are talking about writing an article or paper and all the information that has been, and you are working. I have asked you to actually work on this term paper and whatever the material required for it, you have to collect them and put into a folder. Then what you can do is you can slowly one you read and then you apply it. Okay, so if you read any paper article, you will find in-text citation means you are writing a paragraph, and a paragraph includes several sentences. I have to go this way it seems. Otherwise, you are not able to catch it because you have not gone through an article. It looks like. Guys, can you follow me?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
You are writing a paragraph, and you know that paragraph includes so many sentences, and that paragraph means what? Paragraph also has a meaning. Paragraph means on a particular topic or a subtopic, you are actually collecting some sentences. They are related sentences on a particular topic. Are you getting? Hello, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
For example, can you tell in your term paper actually how many paragraphs you can include according to the title?
No, sir.
वो तो इंट्रोडक्शन में भी बताया गया है. इतना भी नहीं पढ़ा आपने तो काहे का यार मैं पढ़ा हूँ आप लोगों को. आप लोग मजा करो यार. You just did anybody go through that guideline, term paper guideline? Hello,
Yes, sir.
who is this? Rajesh और
Yes, sir.
कौन?
Yes, sir. मैं
मतलब आप ही खाली बोल रहे हो यार. और कोई नहीं है क्या?
यस सर.
कौन है? कौन एक्चुअली मैं
अभी सर.
देख नहीं सकता. अभिषेक. हाय अभी.
सर मैं अभी हूँ इधर।
यस सर.
कौन हो? कौन?
सर संगम।
हाँ संगम है. तो फिर बताओ ना आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि पैराग्राफ क्या होता है? कितने पैराग्राफ रहेंगे आपके इंट्रोडक्शन सेक्शन में? In the term paper, how many paragraphs you are going to incorporate? according to
सर
the
पढ़ा
headline,
तो एक पैराग्राफ ही था, एक इंट्रोडक्शन होता है ना जिसमें सीरियल वाइज सारा लिखा होता है स्टार्टिंग से लेकर एंड तक।
फिर आप भूल गए, आपने
Sir,
पढ़ा ही नहीं है।
firstly we will write about protein expression, then
हाँ,
about force,
see,
and then about
yeah,
gradient.
one, please, Amrita, slowly. So it asks you to guideline tells you because you are new to it, that's why it guides you. I am your guide. I cannot actually put everything into your brain, guys. Please, be very frank. Otherwise, you will always actually think that I am going to put everything into your brain. I cannot do that. You think like that, because that is our traditional education where the teacher will do everything. Teacher is great. ये तो झूठ बात है. I can guide you. You have to verify what I am telling. Then you will understand. So what I am telling now is according to that. And how it quantifies, what is its application.
There is a voice is waiting, sir.
Did you find that, Amrita?
What, sir? Actually, you are not audible.
Hello? Amrita, did you
Now
find
you
that
are
as well?
audible, sir.
Yeah, okay.
What,
Did
sir?
you find, Amrita, about image software also? You are going to write one paragraph, because when I am
Yes.
telling you have to write about this particular subtopic, then that actually makes a paragraph. Many sentences
Yes.
related to a subtopic, you collect them together and you make a paragraph. If you mix them
Yes.
together, then it will be very difficult for the reader to follow. Guys,
Yes.
listen to me carefully. See, why we need to make paragraphs? Because paragraphs help you to complete one particular thing and connect between two paragraphs and two basically subtopics. For example, in this particular term paper, you are going to talk about what is protein expression, and in that you have to include. So you have to write first proteins and then expression, and in disease condition how it is expressed, and then you are including basically whatever related around this protein expression. You are including different sentences, and that makes a paragraph. But then you will write in at the end of that paragraph, you will write this expression is always going in our body. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
It is always happening. C-force is always getting expressed. Whenever when I am speaking with you, my brain neurons are firing. It may be in a very slow rate, or depending on the activity, but it is firing. So there will be C-force expression always. So
Yes, sir.
what you have to do is you have to collect them together, all the information, and you make a paragraph. Rajesh, are you getting? In this particular today, what we are trying is image J, for example, image J के बारे में लिख रहे हो. You are writing about image J, one paragraph. What is that, and what kind of images it can process, and this software is based on what platform. So you have to write about all this and what is its application. You have to write all this. Then it will have a paragraph, and paragraph have many sentences. But here you have to keep in mind that the particular all these paragraphs, all the sentences you are collecting from different sources. So you have to include those sources now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
Rajesh, after you shift the sentence to the right place.
Sir, which sentence?
Huh?
Sir, can you repeat this?
Now, after all this, can you shift the second sentence to the right place?
Sir, this sentence.
अरे अभी जो कॉपी किया था, हाँ.
Yes, sir. Sir, sometimes the details. This sentence. No?
हाँ?
Sir, this sentence.
आप नहीं समझ पाए नहीं? अरे भाई हम एक पैराग्राफ लिख रहे हैं ना. पैराग्राफ को भी हुआ है कि एक सेंटेंस से पैराग्राफ बनता है.
नहीं सर.
कहाँ डालोगे उसको? वो जो सेकंड सेंटेंस कहाँ लिखोगे?
So here,
फुल स्टॉप कहाँ खत्म हुआ?
here, sir, here. I am,
यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट ना?
yes, sir.
चल, मुझे लगता है बहुत मुश्किल है यार, मेरे को पूरा पर्सनली पढ़ाना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को। हाउ कैन आई डू इट? Still, I
Sir,
can see this line at the bottom. Huh? Yeah, you delete that. You're supposed to cut it and paste there.
yes, sir, I have done.
Hmm?
Sir, can I give these references here where I collected this line?
I was telling about how to write, okay? But you did not understand that. How can you actually go further? That's the question. Okay, let me just commit one thing, that you can incorporate reference how to
The voice
make the,
breaking.
and you have to. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Rajesh. Now at the end, can you just repeat the way that we did for the first sentence?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can.
Yeah. Do what are you going to do? Can you tell them? And do?
I am giving a cursor before this full stop and give a space. Then I go to Google Scholar where I have
Ah.
copied this.
Yeah.
Then import
Not
to
copied this. Where I have studied this. Okay.
yes, sir.
Because you keep in mind this one, otherwise you will always copy. Because we are copy masters. Because the whole life I have copied.
So there is some
But
error.
don't do that. Huh? Yeah, just go back and refresh it, and again you do it. Actually sometimes as this happens, because so many people are actually logged on to this, maybe many at a single time. Can you just go back or reopen the Scholar again and type that, and then type those keywords?
Yes, sir. I will.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Type the same keyword. Hello.
Yes, sir. I am
Yeah,
not getting
कुछ
this.
हो रहा है? Huh?
I am not getting this references where I have collected.
What did you type? What was the keyword?
So I have typed image J.
Whatever you typed last time, you're supposed to write the same now
Yes, sir.
to get the same results.
Can anyone remember what I have typed before?
You might have written the way, you might not have written the same thing. You see exactly whether you type the same words or not, or maybe the capitalization and That also you have to see. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So many people are there. Can you guys, are you all dead or what? Can you just guide? What was the words?
Image J software.
Huh? You guys are also shocked or what? You know, it's supposed to give the same result. Why it is giving different? Please, guys, help. What were the keywords?
Sir, it was image software only.
The same words giving different result.
Yes, sir.
Wow, it's not possible, guys. Something is wrong.
Type only image J.
Huh?
It was only image J, sir.
It was only image, then why is typing software? हम फिर हम सांस ले रहे हैं नहीं मतलब क्या हम कर रहे हैं कुछ समझ
I'm
नहीं आ
getting,
रहा हैं?
sir. I'm getting it in my laptop here, sir. If you get
What is the
image,
keyword?
image J only, sir, without space.
What you have written? Can you just spell that out?
Same. It is same. The what is written is it is right, sir. Image J capital. No space between image and J.
Then giving different result for you.
No, sir. I am getting what he has copied before, sir.
If you have got, then what he has done? That's what I am asking. Oh my God.
Sir, I have got this.
What was the mistake? What did you do?
Small J
Sir,
need
sir,
to
I
be
have,
typed. He typed big J. That's why he's not capital J. He
Yeah,
typed. There's a
yeah.
difference.
So we have
Yes.
to be very careful. That's what I told capitalization. But words, अब वो सुनता ही नहीं यार आदमी क्या करें हम? आप कुछ भी सर्च करोगे तो ऐसे चलेगा थोड़ी ना? Petrol. Just hold for a minute, guys. Hold for a minute, guys.
yes, sir.
Can you, Rajesh, can you just repeat what we did for the first sentence? वही करो ना यार, क्या कर रहे हो आप? Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
हाँ, बोलते बोलते करोगे तो if you just tell
Yes,
and
sir.
do that, then it will नहीं जानते.
First, first I have the written from this Google Scholar, what I have extracted. Then I put my cursor before this full stop and give a space. Then I go to the then I go to the Google Scholar and import it into the EndNote. After downloading it, I go to after opening this downloaded, then I redirected to EndNote. Then I have select this reference and go to Word and there I have typed Alt2 and it shows the reference where I have got this export.
Did you get the same result? Same
Yes,
kind
sir.
of result?
Yes, sir.
What did that include?
That include to Caspian 2013.
1295.
हार्वर्ड स्टाइल इंक्लूड करना है.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Hello, this if you want to see whether it is Harvard style or not, you see actually if it includes, then it will include